Hello, welcome to Hajan's Collection. This is a very short video which I am doing. Okay, this is actually the what you can say is the Gamcha pants. What I have done. Okay, so the summer what we are facing right now in Calcutta, instead of wearing jeans, we can always go for this, which is a new trend which is coming on, which is the Gamcha pajamas, or you can call it as a Gamcha pant. The guy is wearing, my mannequin is wearing it. The price of this Gamcha pant it's 750 rupees. Okay, it's very economical and it's breathable. So it's a new trend. Instead of the jeans, you can always try this. You can wear it with anything you can wear it with. Price is just 750 and it's a free size, free waist size from waist size 28 till waist size 50 can wear this. There's elastic over here, what I can show you. There's an elastic over here. One moment. There's an elastic over here which will actually hold it very tightly. It's a very premium quality elastic. Okay, and I have not put any rope or anything because that's the style which is going on right now. The price of this is 750. You have got the red color and you have got green color in this. These are the two colors. Okay, it's a new trend which is coming up. Anybody interested can give me a WhatsApp call or send me the screenshot through WhatsApp, which is 98746 42777. It's 750 is the price of this Gamcha pant right now. Okay, up beside you see that's a mannequin, that's a handloom saris, which is at a very affordable rate of within 1,000 rupees I'm giving away. Okay, this is actually 100% pure cotton. It's handloom, it's a handmade sari that my mannequin is wearing. Okay, and you have got a blouse piece. The price of this is at a discount rate of 1,000 rupees. You're getting it right now. The actual price is 1850, but you're getting it at just 1,000 rupees only for today. Anybody who is giving a call and booking it. So this is a short video. So I'm giving it over here, and you have a great evening. Bye bye.